The husband of the wife is actually there are three properties transferred to husband by the parents of the wife, out of which he has already sold two properties and
He has not paid the amount. He has not paid the maintenance amount.
is not at paid. Is still 1 lakh is pending.
How much is the now 20,000 in the 10,000 it is
10,000.
reduced.
Yes, madam.
So what is the area? All right, you go and execute the order.
For 20,000, but he's gone appeal and he's reduced the amount from the
10,000.
appear for petitioner by lord. My lord, this revision petition is filed along with two IAs. One is for stay of order regarding the maintenance of the maintenance on 20 order dated 27/12/2021, which the court has reduced from 20,000 to 10,000 in appeal. And the other one is attachment of property, by IA for attachment of property. This husband of the wife is actually there are three properties transferred to husband by the parents of the wife, out of which he has already sold two properties and one is in the pipeline of selling that property also. So he is not giving maintenance also. There is a gift property, a property house gifted by the parent of the wife. This is the only property presently she is staying along with her son, my lord. If he is going to sell that property, house property also, then there will be no other source of living. Or she has also lodged a complaint with Whitefield police station about forging the documents and selling to other persons. He has created a false fraudulently that GPA in one by name Balaji, and he has sold the properties to three persons. The FIR is registered and it is still in the FIR. My lord, kindly peruse this FIR.
He has not paid the amount. He has not paid the maintenance amount.
Is not at paid. Is still 1 lakh is pending.
How much is the now 20,000 in the 10,000 it is
10,000.
reduced.
Yes, my lord.
So what is the arrears now due?
Arrears is 1 lakh is due.
1 lakh.
Yes, my lord.
It is only for the wife or child is there?
Yes, son is there. He is pursuing higher studies, master degree, but he is not taking care of his son also. He is not paying any amount to maintenance of his son, his education and all.
All right, you go and execute the order.
For 20,000, but he's gone appeal and he's reduced the amount from the
10,000. Now you are in challenging that appeal to
yes,
enhance
in
it
revision
to
petition. Yes, my lord.
Now your application now,
Yes, my lord.
you are filing an application
For enhancement of maintenance
that will consider. What is your IA that you have filed now?
to stay that order of in the this one 27/12 annexure B. Annexure B at annexure B, which reduced the amount of maintenance from 20,000 to 10,000, my lord. That was in the year 2021. It was ordered only to the maintenance of wife, not for the her son. He's also major is pursuing the postgraduate PG higher education. So she is not able to maintain with the 20,000 even. At least they need 30 to 40,000.
So, what is your prayer in the application? Read your prayer. There is no IA2 here.
IA number 1 is attachment of property. This is
I don't have IA2 here.
It's there, my lord. IA.
Where is that IA? Find it in the court.
Yes, my lord.
Yavaga.
So in this IA, I prayed this honorable court be pleased to attach the property bearing site number 376 situated at Gandhipura, Krishnarajpura Hobli, Bangalore, to secure the end of justice. So these are the two IS we have filed.
But here, this is not here on record.
Yes, sir. I'm an NOC Wakalat this time.
Huh?
I'm appearing on NOC Wakalat. My earlier advocate has filed on these two IS.
This copy is not here. This application is not here. The application that is here is for attachment of property. That cannot be done. Venkat Rama Reddy.
Yes, fine. The earlier.
That is the application. The other application is filed by whom?
He has only filed the application.
11/3/22. That is not here.
Not
You
yet.
go and execute that order for the 10,000. We'll consider this later.
But the petitioner about enhancement of that
If you want to execute attachment, you go and do it. Who's stopping you?
is
It
already,
is not an executing court.
YS is already filed, my lord, in petition court.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits he has filed an application for stay. The same is not forthcoming in the court records. That order of the application, already an order is passed that it will be heard after service of notice. So if I stay that order, it will go against you. You execute that order for 10,000. We'll consider for enhancement later.